Hi guys, today I'm going to be opening up is this L.O.L Surprise Color Change series, and I'm also going to be opening up is this TikTok trendy puppet, or this is trendy in TikTok. So basically this L.O.L Surprise Color Change is basically like, let's say, the old L.O.L dolls that they used to be like in series 1 or 2, but it's just going to be color changing, which is cool because I don't think the other ones I ever think is going to be a different color change. I'm not sure if they used to be color changing the old series, like series 1 or 2, but let's just open this up. And there's, by the way guys, 7 surprises. And here's this like mystery one. I think this is like, I really want to get her because I think this looks like, I forgot one of the name, but it came in like a box. That's what she kind of looks like to me. So let's just get started and open this up. And by the way guys, it's a heart-shaped zipper. The texture of the packagings are way different. It's almost like, I don't know, like soft plastic, I'd rather say. Here is the, what do you call, the message, the secret message, and it shows really badish, guys. This is how this, what is the secret message? I think this have to be color changed in water. I think I need water for this all. I was not prepared for that, but I think let's just try to see with water. I'm going to get very quick water, very quickly. I've got water, but I need a bowl. I guess I'm gonna pour some of the water in the packaging. Oh, here's the secret message in water. It works. It is drama queen. This is drama queen. So you see guys, it works in water. No wonder why, that's why it's like the splashing, and that's why the girl that surfed waves or babes was on the packaging, because it's all about water. And I cut my finger because it's very spiky. Okay, let's go for the next layer. And this one's just with like heart-shaped drips of water. It's almost like raining water. The bowl is like, it's like pearlish pink. It's very pretty. What's in the next layer? Nothing. Here's how the next layer looks like, and it's like this, you see like this clear pink ball. Okay, oh, it's like the old fashioned now. Let's see what's in here. Here's how the packaging looks like. It's called Color Change Surprise. Here's the bottle. I think it's maybe Prankster. So yeah. These really, guys, remind me like the old L.O.Ls, what they used to be. I don't even know why they're doing it again. It's almost like duplicates they're making, that same old series. But it's still cool though. Or cute. Here's this packaging. Oh yeah, I think these are Prankster even more by the shoes. Here are the shoes. One is greenish teal and one is pink. Now let's see what's in here. Oh, yep, it's Prankster. It's kind of like a duplicate if you don't use it in water. It's actually like that. Here's the sitting chairs. It's like exactly, they've made the old type. And here's the inside. Okay, let's see who we have got, and I'm sure it's Prankster. Yep, I was right. Here's Prankster. Here's how she looks like with these cute rosy cheeks. Super cute. Now, let's open up the bag. I spilled water. Here is the bow. Oh wow, guys, here's the big collector's guide. This is big. I think it's just exactly almost like the same L.O.L, what they used to be. It's now color changing, and then there's the pets and little sisters. And here is the back. And I have got a comment. Let's dress her up. You know what, guys? I'm actually going to dress her up later, so I'm just going to keep her standing on the bowl with her shoes. Okay, I'm just going to keep her there. Now let's open up is this puppet. And let's see if it's going to be a good popping. It seems soft. Okay, let's try the sounds. Bad side. And by the way, guys, I'm not really into puppets. I just thought for why not to try to have one to see. Okay, that was the good side. Let's just do one more time. Oh, so here's the puppet. So guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you like a part 2 to see how does she color change actually, and I'll compare with my old Prankster to see if they make the same color changing, so if it's clearly not worth it to get her unless if you haven't got the series 1. And bye guys, thanks for watching.